Narinig mo na ba ang mabango at magandang negosyong pangmatagalan na maaaring simulan sa 70 pesos na puhunan? Ngayon, alam mo na! At magagawa mo yan dito sa Blessed Marketing Corporation. We make high-quality perfume products with raw materials straight from France, Barcelona, and the US. The company offers additional income opportunities, which you can do part-time or full-time. You can work at your own time and be your own boss. At alam nyo ba na pwede kayong kumita mula 409,000 hanggang 2.8 million pesos in just 3 steps? Huwag mong palampasin ito. Message the person who shared you this video para maturuan ka sa steps 1, 2, and 3. Isipin mo, babango ka na, kikita ka pa. Tara na at sama-sama tayong umangat. Be part of Blessed Marketing Corporation and start your own perfume business. Inquire now.